Your lead list is older than you think. Every month, businesses move, rebrand, or shut down entirely, and you're still calling numbers that don't connect to anyone anymore. Here's the number nobody talks about. 30% of B2B data goes stale every single year. You're not just wasting dials, you're paying to enrich leads that no longer exist. Up to 50 cents per record. Gone. But it's not just the dead leads hurting you, it's the live ones you're missing entirely. New businesses open every day, businesses that fit your exact target, and they're not in any static database yet. Your competitor found them. You didn't. That's where Outscraper comes in. We pull real-time data directly from Google Maps, current phone numbers, verified business status, ratings, websites, addresses, your existing list but current, before you dial, before you enrich, before you waste another dollar. The winning workflow is simple. Keep your CRM history, refresh your business facts with Outscraper, qualify against what's live, enrich only the survivors, then outreach with confidence. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!